everyone, it's Alana here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Draw Yourself Happy video. So this is the book that my mum got me at Christmas and it's really cool. Basically on one side of the page it tells you what to do, then you've kind of got to draw into the book yourself and do what it says. So I thought I'd do 4 pages with you all today. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please do thumbs it up and feel free to share it, and let's get started. So this is the very first page that I'm going to do. It says frogs. It's raining frogs. Here's a quick exercise to show you how to draw one. Draw as many as you like. Remember, you don't have to stick with green and brown. Your frogs can be any colours and designs you want. The tutorial on the left hand side was really good and very handy. I found the frogs really easy to draw. Once I drew one, I just wanted to draw more and more and more. They're so adorable, aren't they? Now I'm going to grab my colouring pencils and I'm going to colour in this first frog purple and blue. I just thought it'd look really cute and cheerful if I chose those colours. Once I'd coloured in the frog, I added a black gel pen to make him really stand out. This one here I've done pink and red and he's really cute. And now I'm going to do a green one, and I think I'll do an orange one next. I love doing the outlines, look at it go, woo! And pink and peach for this one. Oh, I just love them. Look at this page, it's so good. I feel really proud of it. So let's find another page to do. This page says gelato. Is that how you say that? Gelato. Ice cream. If there's one thing guaranteed to make you happy, it's ice cream. Whether it's strawberry, chocolate, pistachio or bubblegum, draw your favourite flavours and add the toppings, sprinkles, chocolates, flakes and sauce. Oh, everybody loves ice cream! Yes, I'm going to draw an ice cream for you all now. So to draw my ice cream, I started off with a ruler and drew a 6cm line. Then I measured halfway through the line so that I could make an isosceles triangle. Then I did a little squiggly line and then did the actual ice cream shape. And I erased the first line that I did because we don't need that. So now I'm going to add some paint, and I decided to use similar colours to the one on the example on the right, the little cute ice cream. So the colours I chose are yellow ochre, I'm pretty sure I used, just yellows and kind of light brown colours. I decided for my ice cream I'd do mint chocolate chip, because it's so delicious. It's not my favourite flavour though. My favourite ice cream is actually called Thunder and Lightning and it's by the English Lakes Ice Cream Company. Oh, it's delicious! So now I'm just adding some dark brown. This kind of creates a nice chocolate chip colour. Oh, I really want an ice cream now. I wish I could just pick it up and eat it. This page says Lollipops. All you have to do is this. First, pick a colour and draw or paint a big circle, then select a different shade and paint or draw a smaller circle within the first. The stick should be in a neutral black or grey shade so not to distract from the lollipop. And if your circles are a bit wonky, all the better. That's what makes them individual. Now draw enough lollipops to fill the page and the sweet shop.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, we sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just
These lollipops are so easy to paint.
wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following the heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh.
So this page was probably the easiest so far because all you have to do is just paint circles. It's really simple but it looks really effective and nice. It's a really cute idea, I love it.
We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following the heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, 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 yeah.
This page says seal. For this exercise you are going to draw the sea in which the seal is swimming. Draw a series of more or less horizontal lines. You can use any media for this that can make nice broad strokes. Don't worry if the lines aren't completely straight. This looks more like natural ripples in the water. Now add some fish swimming around the seal. This will make the seal much happier, but the fish maybe not so much. So for Mr. Seal, I'm going to get my pro markers and just go ahead and do lots of different lines, some of them thick, some of them thin.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I.
On this page you're supposed to also add some fish to the design, but I kind of feel like my fish that I drew kind of ruin it. But never mind, I think it still looks really cool. I just thought I'd put in a little mention that this book is by Alex Beeching and all the designs in this book are his. So everything I've drawn today, like the pages and stuff that I've drawn onto, it's all his work, and he's very, very talented, and I really recommend this book.
Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met. Just you and I. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go.
So I hope you liked these happy little doodles, and if you did, let me know in the comments and I'll do more pages for you all if you liked the video. So let me know if you liked it and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you! So yeah, let's go right back to me in my little office. It's not really my office. I don't know why I said that. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do thumbs it up for me and feel free to share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!